fideo hwn, da ni'n mynd i ddysgu siarad am hoff bethau. In this video, we're going to learn to talk about our favourite things. Yn Gymraeg, hoff means favourite, and it causes a treiglad meddal, a soft mutation. Enghraifft, for example, be ydy dy hoff fwyd di? What is your favourite food? Be ydy dy hoff ddiod di? What is your favourite drink? To say something is your least favourite thing, we use cas. This also causes a treiglad meddal. Edrychwch. Be ydy dy gas fwyd di? What is your least favourite food? Be ydy dy gas ddiod di? What is your least favourite drink? To answer these questions, we need to use the word fy, meaning my in English. Didwch ar fy ôl I. Say after me. Fy hoff fwyd ydy spaghetti. My favourite food is spaghetti. Fy hoff ddiod ydy te. My favourite drink is tea. Fy hoff raglen ydy'r newyddion. My favourite programme is the news. You might also hear spaghetti ydy fy hoff fwyd, with the object coming first in the sentence rather than the verb. Both patterns are widely used. Fy causes a treiglad trwynol, a nasal mutation. So when we talk about our least favourite things using cas, we say fy nghas fwyd ydy caws. My least favourite food is cheese. Fy nghas ddiod ydy llefrith. My least favourite drink is milk. Eich tro chi. Your turn. Didwch ar fy ôl I. Fy nghas fwyd ydy caws. Fy nghas ddiod ydy llefrith. Da iawn. Rwan. Let's find out why something is your favourite or least favourite. Pam? Here are some possible answers. Ailadroddwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Mae'n flasus. It's tasty. Mae'n ofnadwy. It's awful. Mae'n hyfryd. It's lovely. Mae'n ucha fi. It's yucky. Adjectives take a treiglad meddal, soft mutation following mae'n. Enghraifft, blasus, meaning tasty, becomes mae'n flasus. Gwych. Cofiwch, da chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise.